So if I think about the future of the cities, I come back to one of the biggest assets that UK has, which is its academic strength. How does the UK take the lead in translating the thought leadership in the universities to create new businesses in that new digital economy or that knowledge economy? That's the great opportunity I think exists for the UK.
Cities are realising that there's a whole new world out there that they need to be part of if they're going to continue to grow.
I think people want to live in a place which is dependable, which is safe, which is comfortable, and all those aspects need to be there in the city, both at the community level, at the business level, and at the utilities and services level.
IBM, with its analytics capability, is able to integrate the vast volumes of data and information that are generated by us all.
Another area that we've invested in is the Smart Cities Challenge, and this is where we're investing in addressing some of those really difficult issues that cities don't know how to really start a journey on, and start to help them build a programme of how we can address the challenges that exist there.